Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make Pasta Primavera. This classic pasta is full of spring vegetables. It's super tasty, light, and it will chase away all of your winter blues and have you ready for spring. We'll start over on the stove. Pour a pound of penne pasta into a pot of salted boiling water and cook it according to the package directions, which will take somewhere between 8 and 9 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to get our vegetables ready. Pour about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a large skillet. Then we'll add in some of our spring vegetables, starting with half of a red onion, and you want to slice it into thin slices. Get that into the pan, along with a cup of asparagus. And you want to trim that into little 1 to 2 inch pieces. Let this saute for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until they start to get a little bit tender. Then we'll add in a cup of frozen peas, a cup of halved cherry tomatoes, and a cup of artichoke hearts. And saute these for a few minutes as well. Once your peas and artichokes are warmed through, it's time to add in the final little bit of flavoring with about 6 to 8 cloves of crushed garlic. I like to have a nice strong garlic flavor in this pasta, and it only needs about a minute to cook. Now at this point, your pasta should be done, so go ahead and drain it and pour the pasta directly in with the vegetables. And I like to add in a couple more tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And toss this all together. Season it with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and you are ready to eat. Serve it up hot, garnished with a little bit of freshly chopped parsley. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.